Yo, what's up everyone? My name is Drew. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and showcasing some Fear of God Vans. A pair of sneakers that I've been wanting for a long time, the Sk8 highs. Obviously you can tell what they are by the title of this video. But let's get to the unboxing and then I'll do a little clip at the end to kind of talk about my thoughts on the sneaker and where I got them and all those things. All right, let's get to it. All right, let's open this up. These are the Fear of God Sk8 highs. What is the best way to do this? No box, but I got these for a I need to go wash my hands. So here are the Fear of God Vans Sk8 highs. These are pretty beat up. As you can see, I ordered them off Grailed. I got at a very good price. Got them for $116, I believe. But they're obviously pretty beat up, and so that's the whole point about this video and this project is I wanted to do an unboxing, and then eventually what I'll do is I'll actually change out the laces, so I have a fresh set of cream laces that I want to put in them, and then I'm going to clean these up and try to make them a little bit more wearable. Obviously Vans look good beat either way. But this is a pair of shoes that I've been wanting, for 4 years now. It originally came out 2016, kind of 2017. But something that I've been looking at, obviously, a very, very dope pair of sneakers, a very simple pair of sneakers, but at the same time, something that is super cool to me, that I love. So I will definitely show you guys a cleaning process of these, see how clean we can get them. And yeah, but other than that, thank you guys for watching the unboxing, man. Subscribe for more videos in the future, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.